With heartfelt gratitude, I embrace the honor of serving as the National Director of the Women's Ministry Department of the Philippines General Council of the Assemblies of God. The assignment has fueled my passion to build a ministry that speaks to the soul of every woman. Through prayer and reflection, God has revealed a vision to me filled with hope, love, and transformation for every woman who steps into His grace. And we have shared this vision and has become the foundation of our mission for every woman in our local churches to be loved, lovely, and loving. Now, the local church monthly meetups are the key activities to bring this vision to life. If you were there in Cebu after our Empowering Summit last November, I shared that the work doesn't end when the event is over. The loved, lovely, loving vision must be realized in our local churches, where women are ministered to individually, personally, and regularly. So, congratulations to Immanuel Assembly of God Church under the able leadership of Mary Beth Giusletti for launching the Radiance Meet Up in your local church. The local church meetups revolve around the inspiring concept of radiance. Radiance is the quality of being bright, healthy, and joyful. But one of the saddest realities is seeing a woman losing her radiance. We women are called to serve, often selflessly and sacrificing our needs for others. This can leave little room for personal growth or ministry involvement. And my heart aches for women burdened by responsibilities at home and work and silently struggling to balance devotion to God with daily demands. I said this should never happen to women who are precious, fearfully, and wonderfully made by God. And in my prayers, God has given me that vision captured in the word radiance, inspired by Psalm 34, verse 5. Those who look to Him are radiant. So the radiance experience is transformative. As women rediscover their God-given radiance, they will flourish personally and impact their families, friends, workplaces, and communities with the light of Christ. This, my dear ladies, is the experience awaiting for you in your Radiance meetups. I pray that God will cause His face to shine upon you and fill your heart with His grace as you look to Him. Together, let us embrace the radiance experience and allow His light to shine through us. Welcome to the Radiance experience.